Well, it's Christmas night. Family went to sleep, so I thought I'd come out and work on the convertible a little bit. My goal tonight was to get the body off the frame, get the motor out, ready for the guy to pick up tomorrow morning. I think it's safe to say that I'm going to ask for a car lift for my birthday or for Christmas or just for a housewarming gift. I don't know. I need one though. This was a little bit sketchy, but it worked. Check it out. Lifted up the back with a good old cherry picker and some axle straps. A bunch of 4x4s on a Harbor Freight $10 cart. That'll work just fine. Use the wife's Jeep wheels. And then, yeah, there it is. It's enough to get the frame out. I'm gonna move it back, get it a little more secure off these wheels, and then yeah, push it in the corner and get to work on the frame. Fun. Merry Christmas, everyone. All right, it's Christmas night, 11 o'clock. Looks like it's another beautiful Washington. Oh no. Yeah, beautiful Washington winter day. So, I got the body off. What would have took me maybe 5 minutes if I had a lift took me about 2.5 hours, so that was fun. Good experience. But yeah, let's see what I got here for this frame. So it looks like the rear end is a GM. So that's fun. You can see that. There we go. So that solves that mystery. I could probably need to get some shocks. Figure out if this drive line is going to fit. Hopefully, that would be perfect. Yeah, just need to clean up the frame. Got the motor out that the fella to come get tomorrow. Make some more room. He's also going to get a nice new C10 dash that I do not need. And some door panels. Get rid of this. And here is the motor that will be going into the convertible. Maybe next weekend. We'll see. Tomorrow I gotta go back to work. So won't get any garage fun done for a few days. So this is the 6.2 L92. I've got the TSP brawler heads. I've got Truck Norris cam. 0.666 dual springs. The BTR True Union rockers. I got the placement on demand delete. I think that's about it for the motor. A new Millings oil pump. I figured since it was in there. I do have the off-road design cross member in there, but this is a story for another day. I'll get to this, finish this build as soon as I'm done. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It's day 1. I have 3 followers and 4 likes. Pretty happy with that. Also pretty happy with this. My wife suggested that I use our daughter's Play-Doh. Old Play-Doh case, because she got a ton of new Play-Doh for Christmas. And this old case was trash. It fits some fuel line parts in there pretty much perfectly, like it was meant for it. Thanks, Play-Doh.